A 25-year-old who maxes out their Roth IRA every year at $7,000 will have over $1.8 million tax-free by age 65, assuming 10% average returns. That is $1.8 million you will never pay taxes on. You contribute after-tax dollars now, but all growth and withdrawals in retirement are completely tax-free. If you believe your tax rate will be higher in the future, a Roth is the obvious choice. You can contribute the full $7,000 if your modified AGI is below $150,000 as a single filer or $236,000 filing jointly. Above those limits, you can use the backdoor Roth strategy. Open at Fidelity, Schwab, or Vanguard. All have zero account fees. Inside the Roth, buy a target date fund matched to your retirement year or a simple 3-fund portfolio of U.S., international, and bonds. Live walkthrough of opening a Roth IRA on Fidelity's website, selecting investments, and setting up automatic monthly contributions of $583.33 to max out the annual limit. Open your Roth IRA today. Future you will be grateful. Drop any questions in the comments. Subscribe for more retirement planning content.